Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So let's start the analysis for gold and gold. You can see uh, currently here is in particular range mode. Okay, before that we will see the replay. Okay, let's start the replay first, and we will see the replay here. Okay, and let's see, after the replay we will analyze the market. Okay, so let's start. So if you can see here, the market is still in this higher high higher lower high lower low zone. Okay, so once this market break here, okay, that we should approach the target. We will set the target this side. Okay, let me pause. Okay, so if you can see here, after this hitting this support, it's take the strong bullish candle here, right? You can see this strong bullish candle here. Yes, so it means the buyers are adding in that. If you see here, in this whole area, in this whole area in this whole area, there is no any candle like this. Okay, so first candle here like this, which buyer take the position of this market. Okay, so we will not take the trade here, so we need one more confirmation before this. Okay, so let's take the chart, and yes, so now here you can see market try to come down. Market try to come down, it's set up if it's trying to come down, but no, it take buyers take the market and it's going up now. So this is our main, so we can put the always stop loss here down. Okay, and target we can put it this side here. Okay, so now we are just taking the replay, so we are just considering the target here, but first target always should be this side. All right guys, so let's play again the replay and see how the market went yesterday. It hit the first target, it consolidate here, and then the next target we are planning to do here. Okay, so now the current market analysis is, the current market situation is here consolidating, right? So currently it is consolidating here, right? So let's go to the 15-minute chart and see how the market went up. Okay, so if you can see clearly, market continuously into the buying position here, right? So of course there will be some profit booking, but today there is a fully consolidation, there is no proper range for the market today. Okay, and here it give the lower high, higher, and this is higher high higher low, and higher high higher low. Now he's trying to break this one, right? He's trying to break this one more. We can see where, or to the confirmation, this you can see this gap up, you can see this gap also, it did not filled it. Okay, why? Because it directly break here and then it's came. If you can see 1 hour chart, it did not, it just hit the market and came down. So it will consolidate, and my analysis is that market has to come here, and from here it will take one more buying position, and our target is this one. All right, and this is also gap, it has to fill this two gap. Okay, this gap will delete now this one. Here is also you can see one more gap, so there is a highly chances, most probably it will go in this here. Okay, and there are the less chances it will cross this part, because see, if market will consolidate here, it will take one higher high, higher low, and if it is break one low, it will go up and it will come down. Okay, and it will hit the target this side. Okay, this is the one more chart, and another is, this is one more plan, and another is it will consolidate here and it will go hit up. Okay, so this is the two probabilities are there. So on that basis we will set the target. This will be our first target. Okay, this will be, you can take the less quantity if you want. Okay, that our buying position will be this. Okay, our buying position will be this, and the sell and the target is this one. So this is the buy position, and this is the target. So let's consider, we will not consider this. Okay, so this is the target and this is buy position. This is my analysis for today, and let's happy trading and all the best.